All right, here we are in Parker Living, just to show you really quick a cutout of a sofa to kind of highlight how we find and how we know certain things. We get a lot of questions about, well, where is my power headrest? If my power recline is broken, how do I know? So this is one of the things we want to show, because sometimes if the power headrest is broken, this is the motor right here. As you can see, it's stuck up in the top of the chair, because obviously it functions with the power headrest. And so some people say, oh, I can't find it, it's hard to find. So this cutout really just illustrates where it is. The other thing that we want to illustrate in this video is if you look down here, you will see the motor. A lot of folks will take a picture of the base of the motor and say, hey, this is the motor I need. But if you'll notice right here on the motor, the tag on the motor is right here. It's on the top of it, and this is what we need. So if your motor's broken and it's not working and you know it's the motor that's broken, we recommend you just take it out. And we'll show you real quick how you do that. So if you flip this chair up onto its face, come around here on the back. So if you come around here on the back, what I was showing is like folks will take a picture of this and say, hey, here's our motor, this is what I need. But what I need is I need the picture of this tag to be able to tell you what the spec is for the motor that you need, especially if you have an older motor, then we're gonna have to replace it with something new. We need to see that. So you can either try and get in here and take this picture, or the real easy way is there's 2 bolts here, there's 2 bolts here, there's 2 bolts on this side and this side, and you can take the whole motor out of your chair with those 2, 4, 6, 8 bolts. We take it out of the chair, and then when you take it out of the chair, we'll know exactly what connections it has and be able to say exactly, here is the motor that you need, so that we can get you the correct replacement. You're going to replace it with the exact same bolts, so don't throw those away, put those back in. And if you do need to get to the power headrest, most of these chairs have a Velcro strap like this. You'll reach in here, and this motor here is a little bit harder to get to, but this just has a clevis pin, and you'll just pull these clevis pins out, and then the motor will come right out. And we can flip it to the front to show you kind of what that looks like. Seeing it is a lot more helpful, but you can see that this is the clevis pin we popped out here. But you pop that out here, and there's a clevis pin up here, you pop that out, and this motor will just come right out. So if you're needing help figuring out your motor, how to fix it, this cutout here shows you kind of really what you're looking at as you're replacing it.